In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add video to Google Drive. Okay, so this is super straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is on the left-hand menu here, you can see it says new with a plus. Click on that, and then you can either upload one single video or a folder full of videos. For this, I'll select file upload and upload a single video. Then you just want to locate it wherever it is on your computer. So I'll take one of my recordings that I normally do for YouTube, and then if I click on them right now, so let me just select this one right here at the top, and what you need to do now is select it and then click on open, and then you can see this pops up here. It says uploading one item, and there's 5 minutes left now, and if you made a mistake, you can click on cancel and upload a new video, but you'll just have to wait for that to completely finish. And once that's completely finished, it'll come here in your list of Google Drive files, and then you can rearrange it, put it in a folder, or do whatever you want to do. I'll cancel this for now because I have explained how to do it, but that would be the process. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.